Tell me again, how many?
Right now, about 600.
600 horsepower, guys. This is no joke, guys.
We still got gassy stuff.
Let's hear the sound.